If you can't explain your bias in one sentence, you don't have one. Daily 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. Same 3 concepts every level. This is the daily bias. Daily trends, zoom out first, bull bear around. Higher highs and higher lows, external, follow the trade. Previous daily low is the magnet sweep before continue. Fair value gap on the daily prices drawn into the groove. 4 hour line, same structure, same draw, confirm. 1 hour gap session liquidity, Asia, London, New York firm. Work top down, daily to 15, same tree every time. Trending highs and lows and fair value gaps, that's the paradigm. Zoom all the way out, is it trending or ranking classified? Higher highs and higher lows, pull lower lows and highs. External range above the all-time high, continuation there. Internal range below the high, chop and reversal, beware. External means continuation cleaner, internal needs discipline. Map the previous daily low in a bull sweep first, the discipline. Daily candle close matters, not the wick. Close first. Wick above the high, closes below, more rejection, the turn. Fair value gap on the daily, void the draw. Price is magnetically attracted, fills before continuation, the law. If our daily gaps are filled, previous lows, the destination. Draws on liquidity, magnets, that guarantees the equation. Daily trend, zoom out first, bull or bear, alright. Higher highs and higher lows, external, follow the trade. Previous daily low is the magnet sweep before continue. Fair value gap on the daily price is drawn into the groove. 4 hour line, same structure, same draw, confirm. 1 hour gap session liquidity, Asia, London, New York firm. Work top down, daily to 15, same tree every time. Trending highs and lows and fair value gaps, that's the paradigm. 4 hour, same process, trend aligned with the daily. Mark the swing lows, fair value gap in the leg. Daily, daily gap on 4 hour zone converge, highest probability. 1 hour session indicator, Asia, London, New York, agility. Session higher low, sweep direction given the draw. 1 hour gap, 50% the level, wait for all. Price stops to 50, rejects precisely, stronger signal. Your bias in one sentence stated, make it final. Bullish, daily trend up, external, 4 hour gap align. Buy from this zone, target the previous daily low defined. Buyers invalid if closes below the invalidation line. Systematic and repeatable, one checklist every time. Step 1, illusion of full bear consolidation. Step 2, the bearer internal cap on the authority. Daily low, swift before continuation. Magnet, daily gap, boy feels before the high, the pattern. 1 time, same trend, same lows, fair value gap. 1 hour, session levels, 50% in the mile. 1 sentence, you can't say clearly, you don't have one. Top down, daily 215, same tree, that's down. 1 hour before the session, checklist, not Sunday noon. Tomorrow's bias comes tomorrow, today's is all you do. Losses happen with the right framework, expenses proof. Systematic beats, intelligent, inconsistent, that's not true. Daily trends, zoom out first, bull or bear or rain. Higher highs and higher lows, external, follow the trade. Previous daily low is the magnet sweep before continue. Fair value gap on the daily price is drawn into the groove. 4 hour line, Same structure, same drug, background. 1 hour gap session liquidity. Asia, London, New York, front. Work top down, daily to 50. Same tree every time, fine. Trending highs and lows and fair value gaps. That's the paradigm. Daily 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. A rise and lows, fair value guide. State your bias in one sentence. Boring. The daily bias, straight man's line.